Alright, in this brief video I'm going to show you how you can use the online tree identification key to figure out what tree it is that you have been accounting for in your tree species accounts. So under the species accounts resources topic on your middle page, you can click tree ID key. It's going to lead you to this Virginia Tech dendrology page. And you can review the basics of tree ID here, which would be helpful for you. And then so let's start here though. But otherwise, if you have a leaf with you, you can do the leaf key. Okay, so if you're unknown as a component, we're in North America. Where are we in North America? We're in North Carolina. Alright, and if you know the hardiness zone, that's fine. If you don't, it's okay. It's not necessary. Alright, so my leaf is from a tree. Yeah, or a shrub or a bramble. We're sticking with trees. So is it broadleaf, slender, or scaly leaves? And it's broadleaved. And I'm sticking with the leaf, by the way, that was used in the 2 tree species accounts videos. Let's narrow our choices based on leaf arrangement. Are they arranged opposite each other or alternate? Well, we recall that those were arranged alternately. Are the leaves simple or compound? They're simple because they have one petiole that bears a single leaf. Not compounded. Let's narrow our choices based on leaf shape. Heart-shaped, long and narrow, roughly oval, widest above the midpoint. That's about it right there. Obvious lobes, no obvious lobes, but no teeth. No, smooth leaf margin. Smooth leaf margin, thin, no, thick and leathery, evergreen. So, thick, evergreen. There are 12 possible matches. The one that most closely resembles what we had outside is the Magnolia virginiana, Sweet Bay Magnolia. However, that was a southern magnolia out there. So this is, Sweet Bay is not the same as a southern magnolia, so that's not going to do. And so when you come up to get something like this, and it's actually not in the keys, then you may need to view a field guide. And in our case, let's see here. Maybe we could do a southern magnolia search. Let's see what happens here. There it is. Now I wonder why it would say, let's go back here. I wonder why southern magnolia didn't show up. Let's take a look at why. Heart-shaped. Maybe it's this one. Ah, that was what it was. Oh, the shape of the leaf I didn't really select correctly. It's actually oval to elliptical, widest at or below the midpoint, not above the midpoint. That was where we went wrong. And you'll see if we look at the video that this definitely, this feature applies, not this one that I selected earlier. So, Magnolia, definitely a Magnolia. That doesn't really narrow our searches a whole lot. Right now we have 100 matches. So let's keep narrowing it down. See how we have to redo the whole key again to narrow it down. Smooth margin, thick and leathery. It's better. 20 matches, much better. Magnolia grandiflora. There's our Magnolia grandiflora, and you can yeah. So that's how you use the tree ID feature on your middle page. be sure that you do a full accounting, a full diagrammatic description of your tree before you go to the tree ID key. Before you get online, before you consult the field guide, do all your drawings and sketchings and observations first, then go to the keys. All right, thank you.